Welcome to Gadget Galaxy, our gadget-filled corner of the internet. Get ready to dive into a world of cutting-edge technology, mind-blowing inventions, and must-have accessories. Jackfish Survival Credit Card. The Jackfish Survival Credit Card is an ideal accessory for individuals who enjoy outdoor activities such as hiking, camping, and being prepared for any situation. This credit card-sized holder is made of high-quality aircraft-grade aluminum and contains various survival tools. It is water-resistant, RFID secure, and can hold up to 4 credit cards. The Jackfish holder includes compact and lightweight tools like a whistle, compass, knife, screwdriver, fish hook, and paracord. With its innovative design and compact size, it is a convenient tool for anyone who wants to be prepared while also having a stylish accessory for carrying credit cards. The holder comes in black, silver, blue, and orange. Tactical Hammer Tomahawk. The Tactical Hammer Tomahawk is a rugged and versatile tool that caters to the needs of survivalists, campers, hikers, and outdoor enthusiasts. It combines a black stainless steel fixed blade, a hammer, and a tomahawk axe in one compact package. The sharp and durable blade is suitable for tasks like chopping wood and clearing brush, while the hammer and tomahawk axe can be used for pounding steaks, breaking ice, and self-defense. The tool comes with a durable nylon sheath with a belt loop for easy carrying. With an overall length of 15 inches and a blade length of 4.5 inches, it weighs just over a pound, making it suitable for long hikes or camping trips. Its rugged construction, versatility, and durability make it a valuable addition to any survival kit or camping gear. Sync 2 Traveler. The Sync 2 Traveler Multitool is a compact gadget that serves a portable hardware store with 11 built-in tools, including pliers, wire cutters, scissors, screwdrivers, and a bottle opener. Its lightweight design and durable stainless steel construction make it easy to carry around without added bulk. What sets the Sync 2 Traveler Multitool apart is its customizable nature. The tools can be easily removed and replaced with others from the SOG line, providing ultimate flexibility and versatility. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, a DIY guru, or simply someone who values preparedness, this multi-tool is the perfect companion. Say goodbye to carrying around a toolbox when everything you need can fit in the palm of your hand. Tactical Walking Stick. Why settle for a mundane walking stick when you can have one that offers so much more? The Tactical Survival Walking Stick not only provides excellent support during hikes, but also boasts an array of features that prove useful in challenging situations. Constructed from lightweight yet strong aluminum, it features a tungsten steel tip for tackling rough terrain and a removable rubber foot for enhanced traction on slippery surfaces. But wait, there's more. This walking stick includes a built-in survival kit housed within its hollow handle. The waterproof storage compartment contains essential survival items like a fire starter, fishing gear, and a wire saw. Additionally, it comes with a detachable compass, a paracord wrist strap that unravels into emergency cordage, and a tactical knife that can be mounted to the handle. Whether you're exploring the wilderness or seeking a reliable tool for your car, the Tactical Survival Walking Stick is the ideal choice for your survival needs. Credit Card Multi-Tool. The Universal Credit Card Multi-Tool 3.0 is a compact gadget that packs an impressive 60 tools into a pocket-sized design. Made of high-quality stainless steel, this sleek and durable tool is perfect for everyday carry. It serves a multitude of functions, including opening bottles, cans, and boxes, tightening screws and bolts, measuring distances and angles, cutting and sawing materials, starting fires, and even featuring a built-in mirror for signaling. With a thickness of just 2 millimeters, the universal credit card multi-tool is easy to carry and store in your wallet, pocket, or backpack. It also comes with a convenient carrying case to keep it safe and organized. Whether you're camping, hiking, or going about your daily routine, this versatile and compact gadget has got you covered. Solar Suncase. If you're an outdoor enthusiast, you're likely familiar with the struggle of starting a fire when your lighter runs out of fluid. But with the Solar Brothers Suncase, you can bid farewell to the frustration of sparking a flame in the wilderness. This game-changing gadget utilizes solar power to create a flame, making it a valuable tool for camping, hiking, and enjoying the great outdoors. Crafted from durable, high-quality materials, it can withstand harsh outdoor conditions. Simply open the case, point it towards the sun, and press the ignition button. It's that simple. The Solar Brothers Suncase is compact and easy to carry in your backpack, making it a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. SOG MACV. Are you tired of carrying bulky and cumbersome multi-tools that weigh you down? Introducing the SOG MACV tool, the ultimate pocket-sized powerhouse. This versatile gadget combines 12 essential tools, including a bottle opener, flathead screwdriver, and ruler. With its sleek and durable design, the MACV tool is perfect for everyday tasks and outdoor adventures. It is crafted from high-quality 3CR13 stainless steel, ensuring durability and longevity. The hard-cased black coating protects it from scratches and corrosion, keeping it in excellent condition for countless uses. Additionally, the MACV tool comes with a lifetime warranty, guaranteeing its reliability for years to come. Whether you're camping or need a quick fix at home, the SOG MACV tool is the ideal addition to your everyday carry. Measuring just over 2.5 inches in length and weighing a mere 0.6 ounces, this compact multi-tool easily fits in your pocket while remaining powerful enough to handle any task. SOG Parashears. The SOG Parashears are not your ordinary garden clippers. They are designed to tackle tough outdoor tasks. From cutting rope and wire to slicing through fabric or opening cans, these shears are incredibly versatile. Equipped with a durable stainless steel blade, an integrated glass breaker, a flathead screwdriver, a bottle opener, and a ruler, they offer a range of useful features. Their compact and lightweight design make them easy to carry. They even include an oxygen wrench for emergency situations. What sets these shears apart is their multi-functionality. With a comfortable grip and sturdy construction, the Parashears are a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, hikers, and survivalists. Whether you're setting up camp or facing an emergency, these shears have got you covered. That's it for today's episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our next video. Thanks for watching Gadget Galaxy, and we'll see you next time with more exciting gadgets.